In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows 11 store error 0x803FB005 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is you need to try to sign out from your Microsoft Store and then sign in again. Okay? Sign out from your Microsoft Store and then sign in again. The next thing that we can do is to click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Now, from the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on the option that is System. Then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here, you need to look for the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. So, if you can find it from here, the Windows Store Apps, just simply click on the Run button that corresponds to the Windows Store Apps. To run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue. So, simply follow on that. Then, we need to check some services. So, go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on Services under the Best Match. Then we need to look for the bits or the background intelligent transfer service. Right click and then go to properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. And for the service status, if it is not running, click on start, apply, and then okay. You can also click the restart button on the left pane. Scroll down to the Windows Update service. Here it is. Right click and then go to properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic. Service status, make sure this is running. So click on start, apply, and then okay. And also click on the restart button on the left pane. Then do not forget to restart your Windows after doing so. We can also run the system file checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on run as administrator on the right pane. Simply type sfc space /scan now. Hit enter. The system scan will begin, so you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, just simply close the window and then do not forget to restart. Then go to the Windows search bar and simply type ws reset and simply click on Run as Administrator. That will reset the Microsoft Store cache. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.